Hi, little artists. Welcome back to. Today we're going to draw something bright and happy. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's a cute and smiling sun. So, grab your paper, pencil, and your favorite colors, and let's get started. Step 1. First, let's draw a big circle in the middle of the page. This will be the sun's face. Take your time. It doesn't have to be perfect. Step 2. Now, let's draw some sun rays around the circle. You can draw little triangles or even curvy lines around the circle, just like the sun is shining super bright. Great job! Now it's time to color our sun. I'm using yellow for the face and the rays. What colors are you using? Get creative and have fun! Wow, your sun looks amazing! You did such a great job drawing and coloring. Give yourself a big high five! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next fun drawing. See you next time, little artists!